In general,
Well, actually, no. I think you know why I'm wearing shades. Because like I always say, the first visit is always the hardest. I usually wait at the corridor mismo. So, I waited for him there. Nung narinig ko kaagad yung ng pinto, ay tumakbo ako. He was okay, but at first I noticed he had drier lips and skin than usual. That's why I imposed a rule today, kada iinom siya ng Coke, dapat may few sips of water. And then eventually, after he finished about, say, 3 cups of water, nag-okay naman. Natakot kasi ako kasi medyo mapula yung mata niya. So sabi ko baka dry. He just needs hydration. So, ayun.
how long has it been?
My last visit was around January. I don't remember the exact days. Basta around that time.
But was your father very excited to see you and welcome you as well?
Yes, of course. Actually, may kasalanan ako ulit na late ako. Well, to be fair, I just arrived this morning, which makes it very hectic for me. May jet lag pa ako. I overslept a bit, but nakasunod naman ako. And balita ko, I asked the guard obviously na kung kumain na siya. Sabi niya, wala daw kasi 1:30 exactly siya naghintay. Sabi ko, hala. So, kaya medyo madami siyang nakain during the visit. Yung pancake na gusto niya. And ayun.
Good, let's go to Davao. It's going to celebrate the
Araw ng Davao.
Araw ng Davao, 89th, I believe. You're not going to be there during the celebration.
I will be there.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.